Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, pros and cons, and analyze user feedback to help you decide which machine is the best fit for your needs. We'll be comparing them in terms of price, capacity, and materials to give you a comprehensive overview. When it comes to pricing, the Giantex model is priced at $159, making it the more expensive option. On the other hand, the Super Deal is priced at a more budget-friendly $113. This difference in price may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your laundry needs. In terms of capacity, the Giantex offers a washing capacity of 12 pounds, which is significantly larger than the Super Deal's 8 pounds. This means that if you have larger loads of laundry, the Giantex may be the better choice for you. However, if you have smaller loads or limited space, the Super Deal could still meet your needs. Regarding materials, the Giantex is constructed from ABS and polypropylene, which are known for their durability. In contrast, the Super Deal is made from plastic, which may not be as sturdy. This difference in materials could affect the longevity and overall performance of the machines over time. In conclusion, both the Giantex and Super Deal washing machines have their unique advantages. If you prioritize capacity and durability, the Giantex may be worth the investment. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option, the Super Deal provides good functionality for smaller loads. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.